Hola bonitas, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alejandra. For those of you who are new, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button to join the family. Now today les traigo un clean with me nighttime edition. It was just like my little reset. Since you see all that medication there, yes, Peter, myself, and Angelique have been sick, so we've been on a good one with the medication. But help me clean up, because if my house is a mess, I'm gonna feel even more of a mess and more sick. So a limpiar se ha dicho.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart.
Washing dishes is so boring, so I just went ahead and skipped that today. Pero sí vamos a limpiar la estufa juntas, because you girls, my estufa was so crummy, but this Dawn dish soap spray is amazing. You need one. Sirve para todo, hasta para limpiar las llantas de los carros.
I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something.
Okay, bonita, so mientras limpiamos, we have to multitask. My baby was feeling under the weather, actually all of us, like I mentioned a million times before. So my mom was like, hazle juguito de arroz. So aquí estoy yo haciéndole juguito de arroz, estoy calentando el agua con un pedazo de canela, lave el arroz y mientras se calienta el agua, vamos a limpiar el comedor. Ok, ya se calentó, de hecho ya está hirvió el agua, hay que echarle el arroz y mientras limpiamos el resto de the first floor se va a hacer y huele bien rico. So I recommend you try this as well. And to end this cleaning session, let's organize the playpen a little bit and mop the floors so that we can sleep a gusto with a clean home. And also the results to the juguito de arroz are in just a bit. It was so good. The house smelled delicious. And that is it for today, bonitas. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas as much as I am. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye, bonitas.